forget the bad days in the suffer when you will rumble. You feel the lyrics jungle when other rappers get crumbled.
The legend has begun. We are the shogun. War is on the run with a reloaded gun, waiting for the rising sun. See the history they have spun. Feel the. So, hello guys, welcome to the most inconsistent channel of YouTube India, मतलब बिग ब्रो। तो आज हम करने वाले हैं गेस द चैलेंज बट विद बायोलॉजी। ऑब्वियसली हम कुछ और रियल लाइफ ऑर्गन्स देखने वाले हैं और उन्हें गेस करने वाले, कुछ हिंट से कुछ ऑर्गन्स गेस करने वाले, कुछ सेल ऑर्गेनल्स लोकेट करने वाले हैं और कुछ क्वेश्चन एंड क्विज़ेस करेंगे और हिंट के थ्रू हम लोग वो ऑर्गन्स भी पहचानने वाले, वैसा कुछ होने वाला है, ठीक है। और ग्रॉस वार्निंग दे देता हूँ, जो मैंने खुद नहीं माना तो बाद में काफ़ी ग्रोस लगा। वैसे मतलब रियल लाइफ ऑर्गन्स टाइप के इमेज दिखने वाले तुम्हें, तो अगर तुम्हें थोड़ा सा भी ग्रॉस लगता है तो अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी खोल दो, ठीक है, मत बांधो। अगर अच्छी लगती है तो कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लो और लेट्स गो भाई। हाँ वैसे मैंने नहीं माना तो बाद में काफ़ी ग्रोस तो लगा, बट ठीक है, ग्रोस चीज़ नहीं है, बट फिर भी एक ऑकवर्ड फीलिंग आती है ना हम कुछ लोग तो, है ना, ब्लड टाइप चीज़ें देखने में और रियल लाइफ ऑर्गन्स देखने में, ठीक है। तो ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो यार। मुझे भी वैसे तुम्हें ज़्यादा नहीं पकाना है तो भाई ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। तो ये तो भाई ब्रेन है भाई, फेमस है भाई हर जगह पे, तो ब्रेन, यस। हार्ट, अरे भाई हार्ट भी फेमस है, हार्ट ऐसे ये तो बुक में रहता है। लंग्स भी रहता है यार बुक में, लंग्स है। आई नो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तुम गेस कर ही रहे होगे, ये किडनी है भाई, किडनी बीन्स भाई, राजमा खाते हो ना वैसे ही दिखता है बिल्कुल। स्टमक है, ये भी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम वाले चक्कर में रहता है भाई। लिवर ऑब्वियसली, और ये भी पैंक्रियास है क्योंकि मतलब तुम देख ही रहे होगे इसके ऊपर गॉल ब्लैडर है। ये तो भाई गॉल ब्लैडर ही है भाई, किडनी के मतलब नीचे साइड, लिवर के नीचे साइड रहता है, किडनी बोला, सॉरी लिवर के नीचे साइड रहता है। ये स्प्लीन है, ये भी सही है। ये लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन है क्योंकि यहाँ पे तुम ऐसा एनस जैसा कुछ देख पा रहे होगे, अगर देख पा रहे हो तो। ये तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा कॉयल ना ऐसा कंजेस्टेड है, इसलिए वो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन है। ये ब्लैडर है, ये ब्लड वेसल है, ये ऊपर वाला आर्टरी है, नीचे वाला वेन है, क्योंकि आर्टरी में वॉल्व नहीं होते, और वो रेड ब्लू है, वो समझ ही रहे होगे तुम। ये रेड ब्लड सेल है भाई, बिल्कुल बड़े जैसा दिखता है ना, बस उसके बीच में वो नहीं होता, छेद टाइप का बड़े जैसा, तो इसलिए। ये तो वाइट ब्लड सेल था। स्केलेटन भाई, हर एक स्केलेट और कोई मॉडल लगा हो ना हो स्कूल में, स्केलेटन का मॉडल तो लगा रहता है। ये तो मसल है भाई, ये तो मसल है, स्किन है ब्रो। सो लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट गेम। तो गाइस अभी हम लोग गैस करने वाले हैं सेल ऑर्गेनल्स ऑफ अ सेल। ये क्विज हम खेलने वाले हैं जिसमें एक डायग्राम दिया हुआ है सेल का, और वो एक ऑर्गेनल फाइंड करने के लिए ऊपर बोलेगा और हम वही ऑर्गेनल इसमें क्लिक करने वाले हैं, जिससे हमें पता चलने वाला है कि क्या हमने सही क्लिक किया है, तो इससे हमें पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे। So let's dive into this game. तो हमें ढूंढना स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम। हाँ, तो उसमें लिपिड्स डाइजेस्ट होते हैं और उस पर राइबोसोम्स नहीं होते और वो न्यूक्लियस के पास होते हैं। Let's find them. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, right? तो हाँ, दो ERs होते हैं, ठीक है, रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम और स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, ठीक है। अभी हम लोग स्मूथ वाला ढूंढ रहे हैं। So न्यूक्लियस के पास होना चाहिए, so I think it should be here or something. Yeah, it's here. Centrioles arrange करते हैं organelles in an animal cell. They are found in the plant cells. तो हमें centrioles को locate करना, ये थोड़े cylindrical जैसे दिखते हैं, तो I think these three are the centrioles. Yeah. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. This is the most heard dialogue of a biologic field. Right. So mitochondria has a stack-like structure in it. Means there are two layers or something, and it is like a P shaped or something, and it makes ATP, the energy currency of the cell, to provide energy obviously to many functions in the cell, and these two are the mitochondria, right? Now we have to find lysosome, the suicide bags of the cell. So they digest their own cell when the cell dies, to clean up the cell and not harm the other cell. So when the DNA is in problem or else cancer can occur, right? So it is released by Golgi apparatus, the shipping department of the cell, we can say. So yeah, lysosome can be just circles. Yeah, because I cannot see any other thing looking like that. Lysosome. So Golgi apparatus is the packaging or shipment center of the cell, where all the nutrients are packed and used in the whole cell. So Golgi apparatus is a stack-like, also a stack-like structure. So this can be the Golgi apparatus, right? Now I have to find nucleolus. Nucleolus is the center of the nucleus of thing. So this can be it. Makes DNA and stores DNA thing. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes and digests proteins. So it is rough, that's right, because it contains ribosomes. So it is around nucleus, so it could be this. Flagellum. Flagellum is gives the motility to the cell. It's a cylindrical structure outside the cell membrane to let move, and the boundary of the animal cell is the cell membrane. Phospholipid bilayer, right? To be intact. So ribosomes, yeah, they are the protein digesting things, right? Around like ER. So these are the similar shapes around the rough ER. And nucleus is the whole thing of the nucleus, right? And nuclear membrane is the outermost layer of the nucleus. Yeah, now we got 100% in this game. So yeah, we are coming in the game, which is can name the organ. In this game, we get hint of the functions of those organs, and we have to identify the name of the organ and write in the answer box. So the first thing is for food. So for food, I think it is stomach, because we use stomach to digest and store the food. Because it can't be mouth, because in mouth we ingest, not digest. And another places is assimilating and urinating, and also excretion and all. So I think it's stomach. Yeah, it's the largest organ. I think the eye. I think it is the largest bone or something. So I think it's wrong. Let's move to the next hint and next question. We will attempt it later. To think, we use brain, obviously, because this is the center of control and coordination, and our thought process comes there. Let's think about pancreas, which regulates blood sugar. The next question. If it doesn't release insulin, we get diabetes because of increasing sugar level. Yeah, liver releases the bile juice to make the area basic in intestine. After the acidified form in the stomach, a bolus. So next, what we can do is let's think which question we should do after this. Right. Largest organ, I can guess it. For digestion and excretory, it should be kidney. Oh, so it is for only excretory. So these look similar. Let's add small intestine because it does assimilation. Maybe not. I think it is not, because it is not taking the answer. Let's do large intestine because It has anus to excrete the things, and it also does absorption of water from the bolus. I think it's not. So let's write on an intestine. Let's see. Now intestine is also not being accepted, but it can be. I think we should go to another question. For breathing, it's lungs, because respiration is carried away by lungs mainly. Nose does breathing exercise for the main breathing purpose of respiration and breakdown of food by taking oxygen is done by lungs. For life, it is heart, obviously, because it does blood circulation. Circulates the pumps out the blood, that means bad blood, deoxygenated blood into the lungs to purify it, and give it a cell and something, and removes old blood cells. Spleen, the graveyard of the blood cells, removes old blood cells, right? The lymphatic nodes does the absorption and of the proteins and other food, and they take care of the immunity because they are white blood cells in number. And intestines is for digestion and excretion. It's a common answer. I answered this, but only for a single aspect of one circle line. Wow. Let's see the largest part, what it could be. I forget. It could be skin, I think, because that is the only thing left, and it is on the whole body, but I don't think it's an organ. Oh my gosh, it's an organ? You got me saying. So, this is the quiz I was warning you about. So, this is the gross quiz, and the first organ is the heart, second organ maybe eyes, third organ maybe kidney, because it looks like kidney beans. This is a kind of tough. I think it is esophagus, the food hub, where the food goes through by peristalsis. It could be colon or large intestine, and this is spleen, I think. Oh yeah, this looks a little gross, right? I warned you about this. This could be anus. No, cannot be anus. This can be rectum. No, it is not accepting rectum. Urinary bladder. It could be that. No. Then what it could be? It's not accepting that too. Bladder. What? Only bladder is accepting. Urinary bladder was a more descriptive answer. What is the problem? Okay. This is started the butterfly type organ. This is the small intestine, I think. Yeah, this is more congested. There's called tube organ. So the last one, this looks like ear or something, but it is gallbladder maybe. This is liver. Yeah. This could be pancreas. Yeah. It is like that shape. Yeah. This could be lungs. What is this? Let's answer the below one. Brain. This can be hand. It looks like a small hand, but no. Appendix. Oh, we got 100%. This is crazy. Let's go to another quiz. So, this is also a biology quiz. Marissa is making a list of the parts of her body that help her sense the world around her. She knows that her eyes take in the light so she can see which organ has nerve endings, so that she can take in information, so textures and temperature. Obviously skin, because it can touch and sense. Right. Thanks. We got the point. In view of the leaderboard, organ that coordinates your body's activities, I think it's brain, because it's the coordination and control center of the body. So yeah, we're up the leaderboard. Two cyclic organs that hold oxygen, obviously lungs. Because Lungs are the respiratory center of the body, of the oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange with the air, and we have done 3 in a row. Yeah, like an ice cream. And we have the leaderboard again in the 8th rank. An organ system is made up of all the organs of the human body that work together to do a special job, such as the circulatory system. The heart is part of the circulatory system, which is the main function of the heart, pumping blood through the body. Circulatory offices doing circulation, pumping and traveling, transporting the blood through the body. It could be that. Right. Pumping blood through the body is not working, but let's do this. Yeah, this is kind of suspense, right? Yeah, we are right. That's crazy, right? Yeah. Now we are getting power-ups. Yeah, I know it. So we can give a wrong answer, I think. This means in order to provide oxygen and remove carbon dioxide, air must be pumped into and out of which following organs? The lungs, because it exchanges the air directly through the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air.
Yeah, these are cool learning, but I think it's kinda easy. Yeah, we are on the leaderboard and the top 3 was the coding at the end of the leg bones while the arrows and diamonds. Yeah, they're cartilage, they're the soft bone, giving lubrication to the bone joints to let them move freely. The human brain is responsible for which of the following functions? I think it's controlling muscle movement, because it is the control and coordination center of the body. Bringing down food is the work of the respiration, fighting body diseases is immunity, pumping blood is the heart's work, so it is controlling muscle movement. And we are at the top 2 after leaderboard, which is the top 11. That's crazy. Each organ performs the function necessary for healthy active in-body organ responsible for filling the blood body basically tract before sending it to the rest of the bodies. Which are the following organs? I think it is liver something. It filters. Yeah, it filters the blood. Crazy. I thought it was only kidney, respiration and filtration, the nephrons, but it also does it. Crazy. And we're still on the 2nd place. Oh man. The nutrients in digested food are absorbed in the bloodstream, and which are the following organs? I think it's intestines. Yeah, it is intestine, because it does assimilation of the food, and capillaries are attached to the skin outer layer of the intestines, which take up the nutrients from the food broken down in stomach, digested in the stomach, and it takes the nutrients into the capillaries to give it to the cells by using the blood vessels, arteries, and veins. Right? It is intestines. Yeah, intestine. I think. Suspense, man. Yeah, we are right. We were right, bro. Yeah, boring as fun. No, this is not boring. Totally. And we're on the top of the leaderboard. Praising the leaderboard. When Bryce decides to get up and move to another room, he's scanning in his body to communicate those messages to his muscles, which are the following organs is responsible for communicating and controlling the actions of Bryce's muscle movements. It's brain, because it is the control and coordination center of the body. Yeah, they got this. And we're dominating the leaderboard. That's literally crazy. Which human organ fills all the body's blood, removes waste, and regulates body fluids? Obviously, it's kidney, because it is the excretory organ of the body, and nephron is the filtration unit of the kidneys and of the body too. You're having a nice day. Yeah, having a nice day thanks to the quiz. Yeah. The skeletal system has many functions. Here are the following body functions does the skeletal system not do? Protecting the system organs. Yeah, it does. Yeah, remove the germs from the blood. Yeah, it is done by the immune system, I think. Yeah, blood bones doesn't do it. And it's producing blood and all. It is also done by skeletal system by bone marrow. Wait, what is the function of the human skeleton? Yeah, not from diseases, but no, it doesn't pump blood. Yeah, it provides a framework for muscles and creates organs. Yeah, this is the thing. Because it gives the body the shape it needs, and it protects the internal organs because it is strong in nature. The stomach, liver, intestines, and the pancreas are organs in the same body system. What is the main function of the stomach? I think breaking down food nutrients. Yeah, because it digests the food. Break down food to take out the nutrients and push it to small intestine to assimilate it, right? It acidifies the thing and digests the bolus. So I think breaking down the food nutrients. Let's see. Literally, this is a Spanish book. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, there's the correct answer, and you're still on the top of the leaderboard. And thing, yeah, they won this game, bro. Son, human body system. Now we go dive into another quiz of biology. Let's go. This is Kahoot. That was disease. Okay. So this system breaks down referring on the earth that body can use. Realize the system affects the food to derive nutrition from the food, right? Where does the digestion stop? In the mouth, obviously, digestion is the first organ, the buccal cavity. It's called the digestion. Right, the first process is ingestion. But make the enter the bowl of benefit, that is the right. Stomach is the organ that it's toasted. So it stores food and digests it. Right. Yes, we were right again. And we're playing it alone, so we on the top of the leaderboard, obviously. The heart pumps blood, I think. Yeah, lungs get the oxygen and makes it oxygenated and blood pumps it throughout the body, right? Heart pumps. The circulatory system connects. I think the cells in the body. Yeah, because it gives out the blood to whole body. It transfers the blood to whole body system. What system of organs browsing oxygen to the body? Yeah, respiratory because lungs add oxygen in the blood, the burning of food. Respiration. Then we exhale or breathe out. We release carbon dioxide after digesting of food and burning of food. Obviously, anything is getting in combustion, it gets carbon dioxide, like lungs, periods, our body cannot use, or waste. Yeah, they excrete it out by kidneys and anus and urinary bladder. The kidneys are the part of the excretory system because they excrete the waste out of the body. Processing and not useful thing, right? Enzymes in the saliva change starch to sugar, yeah, because they have a mileage and they digest starch. Right, break down starch. Small food particles travel from it into blood. I think it is small intestine. The large time to get the water out of them absorbed. Right. That's peristalsis, a wave-like motion the body uses to push food. Yeah, it is a wave-like motion to push the bolus into the stomach. Yeah, that's right. We've got this. Guys, we've got this. The esophagus. It is a food pipe. It takes food from mouth to the stomach and to the intestines. So it is none of these. Yeah, because it takes from mouth to stomach the food by wave-like motion. Peristalsis. The heart has how many chambers? 4. Right and left, atrium and ventricle. So it is make 4. Right. Where does the heart pump the oxygenated blood? in the lungs, so they do excrete it out by the nose from the lungs. So the liver found in the system of the body, a digestive system, I think, in the small intestine, the hair-like structure, where capillaries are present to absorb the nutrients and stimulate them. Arteries are found in which body system? It's circulatory, I think, because they take the oxygenated blood to the whole body from the heart after being pumped. Right. So the bladder stores. It stores urine. Yeah. After the kidney filters out the urine, it stores it to eject to animals. Right. It's just like grasshopper. They get it through. Raptors, I think. Yeah, that is right. It is their respiratory organ. No. Frog has only 2 chambers in the heart. I think it's false or true. False, I think. Yeah, because they have 3 chambers because they're appalled. So we have won this game. So bye, guys.
Victory is our own, don't leave me alone in this downtown. Just look up, never look downtown. On my head, I got the many frowns. They are bloodstains on